Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Anirudh Bhaskar and I am the National Sales Manager at Russell Phoenix, which is the leading company in fine mesh separation technology. I would run through the entire presentation first, post that we would be having dedicated question and answer session. Great. Let's move ahead. I will be sharing my screen with you. Content and learning objective. First, I would like to introduce a bit about Russell Phoenix. Then we will learn about different type of separation techniques. Then we'll move on to the most important part, that is application and best practices for installation of vibro shifters. Finally, we will also cover a bit about best practices for hygiene design. Introduction to Russell Phoenix. I'm sure today we have a lot of our existing customers as a participant, but for the best interest of all others who are new to Russell Phoenix, I would like to take a few minutes to introduce Russell Phoenix and what we do. We are worldwide leader in designing and manufacturing of vibratory sieve and separators, ultrasonic mesh deep blinding system, and liquid filters. Our equipments are engineered for global market and is supplied across 140 countries. We have manufacturing facilities in UK, Belgium, USA, India, and recently we have started our operation in China as well. Russell Phoenix is the only company which supply its own ultrasonic system with in-house knowledge for support and best integration into sieve system. So to summarize, here we serve almost all industry in the world with high quality equipment to ensure your final product meet the specification required. So the major industry segment that we cater to are food and beverages, pharmaceutical, chemical, coatings, ceramic, metal powder, water processing, and recycling. Actually, today vibratory is almost all major companies. In India, we work mostly with pharmaceutical industry. Other than pharma, we work with food and chemical and metal powder industry as well. More than 65% to 70% of our business comes from pharmaceutical segment. Rest comes from the food and chemical. Now to tell you about some of our key customer, as you can see on the screen, today we are working with most of the industry leader like Cipla, DRL, Intas, Zydus Cadila, Sun Pharma, Abbott, and Centrient. We are also working very closely with Square and Beximco in Bangladesh. We are working we are working with lot of OEMs, system integrators like GLAD, GIA, and couple of isolated manufacturers as well. Now let's talk about type of separation technique. Five major types of separation techniques are check screening of liquid and powder, reclaiming or reworking product, grading and sorting, dedusting granules or pellet, dewatering, or liquid solid separation. In continuation to previous slide, let me take you through different technology or equipment for sieving and filtration. Starting with bottom one, rotary shifter, which are generally used for high capacity but have low accuracy and poor contamination control. Next is the gyratory separator or a tumbler. They are gentle in action and require large screen area. Vibratory separator, vibratory separators, contrary to gyratory separator, vibratory separator have both horizontal and vertical vibrations and are most efficient grading machine. Next come check screeners, especially for final saving. They are with minimal contact part and product dwell time. Inline liquid filtration. In the self-cleaning Russell EcoFilter is an innovative filtration unit ensuring that contamination can be easily removed from your liquid product. Its unique SpyroClean cleaning system and replaceable stainless steel filter element allow for continuous reliable filtration down to 10 microns. This eliminates the need for production stoppages required to change filter media such as filter bag and cartridges. Key benefit of Russell EcoFilter are they offer totally enclosed filtration, need small footprint for high productivity, very low or no maintenance, silent operation, accurate temperature control. Typical applications. There are many places within the manufacturing process where VibroShifter can add value. It can help you to audit incoming material from suppliers. It helps you to meet your product specifications. We have customized solution for every industry, be it pharma, food or chemical. Typical application. In typical application in pharmaceutical industry, check sieving of incoming dry material, check sizing after blending or granulation or milling, check sieving granules prior to tableting, batch checking sieving, batch check sieving of APIs in isolation booth, grading final products, that is top and telling. Russell Phoenix is the only company which have application specific models for each application. Now, photograph of typical installation. As you can see on the screen, in first photograph, you can see check screening of incoming ingredients during tanker unloading. This ensures your downstream process is free from contamination. Second photograph is of self-cleaning filter installed in chocolate industry to remove solid from liquid chocolate. In third photograph, you can see shifter with the back tipping platform along with integrated dust hood. This safeguards the health of your operator with comfortable tipping height of 25 kg bag. You can see the compact, a 400 or a mini shifter in isolation booth, Phoenix Ultima machine in granulation line, and Phoenix separator, which is used for grading purpose before tableting. While selection of VibroShifter model, it is always advisable to consider few parameters like how material is going to feed. Is it manual feeding or feeding through rotary valves? It could be a pneumatic conveying or through screw conveyor. We do have a solution for all such typical feeding scenarios. In this slide, you can see in first photograph a compact airlock with bottle docking station. Second photograph is of sugar unloading from bin with the help of compact air swift machine. In third photograph, you can see the high shear mixture is being charged through compact 900 air swift machine. During installation of VibroShifter, we support our customers by guiding them to have a proper access for inspection, cleaning and maintenance. A special care should be taken for vibration control and transmission of vibration to other upstream and downstream equipment. Based on your project requirement, we can customize inlet and outlet of shifter. As you can see on the screen, there are different combination of inlet and outlet connection. We have options for flexible bellows or BFM connection, suitable for food and pharmaceutical application. Managing electrostatic. There are certain materials which generate static charge during sieving operations. To dissipate this static charge, we have options like earth monitoring system, earth clip, conductive gaskets. Moving forward, to know how Russell ensure hygienic or sanitary design for its machine. Our design ensure minimum contact path, ergonomic and hygienic easy clean design, provisions for controlling ferrous contamination, low noise less than 70 decibel, and other parameters complying to GMP, FDA, 3A, and ISPE requirements. Consideration for hygienic or sanitary design. Now let me take you through some of the salient features of Phoenix Ultima. Phoenix Ultima is a next generation round vibro shifter. Phoenix Ultima is mounted on rubber suspension, whereas conventional shifters are spring mounted. Rubber suspension mounts enable increased accuracy and material control and higher screening capacities as compared to spring mounted machines. It also provides improved cleanability due to its modern hygienic open frame design, and we all know that hygiene is of utmost importance in pharmaceutical companies. Case study: OL level 5 validatable sieve. Here in this slide, I will brief you about compact airlock. Compact airlock is high containment vibro shifter. This vibro shifter is able to provide substantial improvement in product containment with its patented TLI, twist, lock and inflate pneumatic clamping system. Its key features are fast and simple disassembly, quicker mesh changes, reduced maintenance, labor and running cost, minimum operator involvement, improved operator safety, reduced downtime required for cleaning, and improved containment near about 1 microgram per cubic meter. This slide is about controlling contamination and minimizing operator exposure. Options like CIP, WIP help in operator safety. Design features like enclosed deck, spray ball system, and gated outlet minimize exposure and help in increasing operator safety. Case study: API isolation booth with aseptic pneumatic sieve. In this slide, you can see the application in which APIs would be loaded into the isolator and vacuum conveyed and screened by another integrated sieve system. A customized aseptic pneumatic sieve was engineered, combining a Russell Compact Air Swift with Russell Compact Airlock clamping system. This vacuum conveying shifter provide all the benefit of pneumatic sieving technology with patented TLI airlock clamping system. Key benefits are suitable for ultra high containment area, maximum operator safety, easy to clean, they have very low noise, OL level 5 containment, and very small footprint. In continuation to previous topic, here are few more photographs wherein we have installed shifters inside isolators. You can see in this photograph a mini shifter is installed in isolator. Removing ferrous contamination. Another important solution that we provide for ferrous contamination that happens in food and pharmaceutical industry is fully stainless steel easy clean separator. Unlike conventional magnetic separator where the magnets bar are secured at both the ends, the easy clean magnetic separator has unique open-ended design, allowing for ferrous contamination to be removed easily and effectively. Russell Phoenix easy clean magnets are designed to allow optimum coverage of magnetic field strength. You can see in the picture, there are 4 magnetic bars which are placed in such a way that you get maximum coverage in the magnetic field. Filtration media selection. In case of vibratory sieve, we provide mesh frames with a mesh count as well as in micron. Generally, we prefer to supply mesh frames in micron as they are more accurate. We have the options of different MOCs like SS304, 316, 318 and 430. In case of liquid filters, we have 2 options for filter screen. First one is defined hole, which have high accuracy but low open area. The next one is wedge wire, which have low accuracy but high open area. Now you might want to ask how we ensure high quality sieve, the most critical part of our machine. At Russell, All mesh cloths are sourced from the top quality manufacturer in Europe. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of defects in the low cost mesh which can reduce your product quality. In this, in the right hand side box, you can see the close-up picture of the surface defect found on local wire mesh, whereas Russell mesh have no such defects. Continuing on the same topic, Russell mesh frames are with uniform aperture with no defect. With Russell mesh frames, you will have high sieving accuracy, improved mesh life, and reduction in frequency of remeshing. Hygienic mesh screens. Russell mesh frames are suitable for high quality food and pharma application. They are manufactured with a safe white adhesive tested to FDA 175.300. Ultrasonic mesh deblinding. As I said earlier in the introduction, Russell Phoenix is the only company which supply its own ultrasonic system with in-house knowledge for support and best integration into sieve system. Ultrasonic screen help in preventing blinding and blocking of mesh when difficult and sticky powder are screened. Patented vibrasonic deblinding system, also known as VDS, consists of generator and a probe. An ultrasonic frequency is applied directly to the mesh screen, making the mesh wire friction-free and avoid blocking of the mesh frame. Major benefit of vibrasonic deblinding systems are increased sieving capacity, increased mesh life, sieve on finer mesh, eliminate mesh damage and contamination. In next slide, I will show you the demonstration of ultrasonic deblinding system. Without vibrasonic mesh, blinds resulting in a reduced screening efficiency. On the screen, you can see this white spots. This white spot are the blockage in the screen. And once we start the ultrasonic system, the entire mesh get cleaned. So with the activated vibrasonics, you get consistent and reliable throughput. Equipment validation. Finally, I would like to highlight here that at Russell, we try to meet maximum documentation requirement of our customer for audit purpose. We ensure that our document packages provide you with everything that you require for your validation process. This can range from certificate of conformity to complete traceability of parts including meal certification, surface roughness measurement, as well as IQ, OQ, and factory acceptance test. Great. Thank you everyone. We appreciate you being here. Thank you again for joining us today, and we will see you next time.